This is Jack here again with a new video, fresh new video about Toyota Hilux Revo 2018-2019 facelift model with the Tacoma like grill. This one particular one is a Rocco model, so and in double cab. So this is my first video on a double cab Rocco. So stay tuned. I'll be right back after a brief intro. Hello dear friends, this is a Jim Autos presentation. We export right-hand drive vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong and Japan, and left-hand drive vehicles from United States, Canada, Dubai, Oman and Europe. Our website is toyota-dealer.org/WP1. Thank you guys. Friends, Jack back here again. So as I mentioned, this is the Rocco version. So as in a double cab. So here we go. This is the grill, Tacoma like grill. So here you see, so the grill is the same, but in Rocco you see there is titanium here, and there is also that lip, and there is also a lip in the bottom. Here we go. Here we go. So this is the bottom lip, unique to Rocco. And this is the radiator grill, the air intake grill as it is called, also called. So you don't have to have, this is interturbo intercooler, but the intercooler doesn't have one on the bonnet, and the distinctive looking bonnet. Okay, and the projector headlamp, so with the daylight running lights, so which is sparkles. And of course the fog light, LED fog light, and as we see in the regular Revo, this is the chromium housing, but here it's a titanium housing, so a nice touch. So and here we go, and another look, and for balance another look at the on the other side, and here we go, the fog light. Okay guys, so let's see now, do a video walk around as you're used to. So here is the Rocco fender flare. So this is the fender flare. Okay guys, it looks nice. And here we go, this is the rim. This is the rim that Rocco has made Rocco so famous that there is now 2 months wait on double cab, but anyway, this is we have ordered, though if you need one we can probably get you sooner than that. So this with Dunlop Grand Trek 80 in white writing, and cannot make enough of them. So here we go. Also you see here is a distinctive side mirror. For this is also unique to Rocco. This particular one is a Hilux 2.8 Rocco Revo double cab. So also this is black in Rocco. And here we guys. So guys, don't forget, we sell full range of Thailand vehicles, from pickups, SUVs and MPVs and anything you like. And some of our biggest exporter, Toyota Hilux Revo, Ford Ranger, Wild Track, and of course Toyota Fortuner, Mitsubishi Triton, Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, Nissan Navara NP300, full range of Thailand vehicle. So here guys, the rim from the other side, and the Rocco sticker, distinctive, very nice, and the Rocco Rollbar, so very nice looking. Okay guys, and here's the rear light, I should say. And here again you'll see this is titanium, and this is a distinctive feature. Here we go on the other side as well, and rear light. And so here is the bed liner, and a look of you can see the roll bar from inside. so gives a sense of protection. So dear friends, another from the other side. And friends, we export full range of right-hand drive vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, and all major right-hand drive exporting countries. So it's a Hilux 2.8 from the other side, under him. Also guys, we export full range of left-hand drive vehicles from North America, of course, United States, Canada, from the Middle East, from Dubai, Oman, Bahrain, and Qatar sometimes, occasionally, when the prices are cheaper there. So, and also from Thailand and Japan in Asia. So guys, whatever you need, any vehicle you need, and motorcycles or ATV, UTV, side by side, and commercial truck, buses, whatever you might need, anything, if it has a wheel, then we sell it. Okay guys, now we'll head to the interior of the vehicle. Guys, don't forget you can reach me at jim12cars@gmail.com, jim12cars@gmail.com, and you can contact me on phone at +66 89 106 5701, +66 89 106 5701. And guys, if you haven't liked the video and subscribe, so let's take a look at the interior. Here we go. Here's the interior of the Rocco, and black accents. As this is the door controls. Okay guys, and darker, the Rocco, the Revo, the new version 2018 is dark accent anyway, but this is UCC leather. Oh, beautiful black leather. So this is very distinctive. This is the driver's seat with power controls. Okay, I'll show you from the other side. You'll see that is very nice leather. So here is the steering with the steering controls, and in the rear you'll see this is also unique. This is the meter, and Rocco meter is different. In the middle is the notification window, and here we go, the clock, and the display, the monitor, and the 6-speed gear, the auto gear. And here we go, this is the eco mode and power mode, and of course the handbrake and the armrest, beautiful leather. So now let me show you the rear of the car, and of course the car engine start stop, one push button start. Okay guys, and let's see, here we go, beautiful leather. So probably I don't need to show you from the other side. See, there's an armrest, comfortable, very comfortable, very elegant black color, beautiful black. So here I should show you the door as well. So, and here also, if you'll see, there are AC controls in the rear. So this is this, and everything once again under view. So here we go, I'll show you close by. Here's the view. Leather looks really nice. You can see, you can sense it, and you can smell it. It's really nice. Anyway guys, give me feedback. I'm still learning. You know, this is my first few months, and so any feedback will help me improve. And as you say, here you see, door handle is beautiful. So let me, actually I want to show you from this side. Okay, oh, see, this is elegant, very elegant, elegantly crafted. the guys, this is the cooler. Two 600 ml bottles you can place here, and see this thread, very nice, elegantly threaded, and you see that very comfortable leather you sink in, so very nice. This is gotta have, you know, as you see it, say, oh, I gotta have one. So really, so those surprise people are lining up for these, and there's a waiting queue for them. So, oh guys, okay, so let me close the door. And anyway, just guys, give me feedback, like and subscribe. So here we go, and click the bell, guys. Like, subscribe, click the bell, give me feedback, call me +668910657001, or email me at jim12cars@gmail.com, jim12cars@gmail.com. Okay guys, toodaloo, bye. We offer full range of Thailand vehicles: Toyota Revo, Vigo, Fortuner, Ford Ranger, Wildtrak, Navara 9P300, and any Thai pickup, SUV, trucks, and also we export from Thailand, Australia, UK, USA, Dubai, Japan, Hong Kong, and all our cars are on sale. Okay, thanks for watching guys, it's been fun, and a like would be appreciated. Please leave comments and please subscribe. We're adding new videos every day. Thanks.